I'm going to explain synthetic fibers and plastics question and answers. Explain why some fibers are called synthetic. There are some fibers that are prepared by man by using chemicals. These are called synthetic fibers. The fibers that are made by chemicals are known as synthetic fibers. These are made of small units that join together to form long chains. Examples of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic, etc. Here, small units are known as monomers, and when they join together they are known as polymers. Pick the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because it has a silk like appearance. It is obtained from wood pulp. Its fibers can also be woven like those of natural fibers. Rayon is made obtained from wood pulp. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Synthetic fibers are also called as artificial or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw materials called petrochemicals. Synthetic fibers are made of chemicals and synthesized from raw materials called petrochemicals. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. Nylon fibers are very strong. It is used for making ropes, used for climbing rocks, and for making parachutes. Their usage shows that nylon fibers have high tensile strength. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. The characteristics that make plastics favorable for storing food items are because they have lightweight, lower price, they have good strength, and easy handling. We can store food in a plastic container and carry it easily. Next, explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics. Plastics softened on heating and can be bent easily. What's difference in thermosetting plastics? These plastics when molded once can't be softened again. Thermoplastics do not lose their plasticity. Thermosetting plastics lose their plasticity. Examples of thermoplastics are polythene, PVC, etc. Examples of thermosetting plastics are bakelite, and melamine. Here, when we burn a polythene cover, it melts, right, and it can be easily bent. So, it comes under thermoplastics. Explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics: saucepan handles, electric plugs or switches or plug boards. Saucepan handles are made of thermosetting plastics because these plastics do not get softened on heating. Also, thermosetting plastics such as bakelite are poor conductors of heat. Saucepan handles means the handles which have for utensils are made of plastics or wood, any other material. Here, these are poor conductors of heat. Thermosetting plastics such as bakelite are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Therefore, they are used for making electric plugs, switches, plug boards, etc. Categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Telephone instruments, cooker handles, electrical switches comes under cannot be recycled. Plastic toys, plastic chairs, carry bags, plastic covering on electrical wires, ballpoint pens, plastic bowls comes under they can be recycled easily. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy a cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana to give your reason. Rana should buy shirts made from cotton. This is because cotton is a good absorber of water or sweat. It can soak the sweat coming out of our body and expose it to the environment. Thus, it helps in evaporating the liquid that is sweat, thereby cooling our body. So, synthetic material is not suitable in summer. Give examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Plastics are not corroded if even if they come in contact with strong materials. This is because of their non-reactive nature with most materials. For example, the cleaning chemicals that we use at home are stored in plastic bottles instead of metal containers. If we store acid in plastic bottles, they remain. They doesn't reactive with the materials. Instead of metal containers, plastic bottles are better. Should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush be made of same material? Explain your answer. No, the handle and bristles of a toothbrush should be made of different materials. The handle of a toothbrush should be hard and strong, while the bristles should be soft and flexible. Avoid plastics as far as possible. Comment on this advice. Plastics are non biodegradable. Once introduced into the environment, they take several years to decompose. Plastics add to the environment and environmental pollution. They cannot be burnt as when burnt. They release poisonous gases. Plastic bags thrown in the garbage dump are swallowed by animals like cows. These plastics bags cannot choke their respiratory system and can even prove fatal. They die. Therefore, we should avoid plastics as far as possible. Match the terms of column A correctly with the phrases given in column B. Polyester. Polyester do not wrinkle easily. Teflon used to make non-stick cookware. Rayon prepared by using wood pulp. Nylon is very strong, used for making parachutes and stockings. Next, manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forests. Comment. Raw materials for natural fibers are mainly derived from plants, and this means cutting off a lot of trees. This leads to deforestation, but raw materials of synthetic materials are mainly petrochemicals. Hence, manufacturing synthetic fibers helps in the conservation of forests. Raw materials of synthetic materials are petrochemicals. Describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. We will design a circuit to see that thermoplastics are poor conductors of electricity. We need a bulb, some wires, a battery, a piece of metal, and a plastic pipe. Set up the circuit first with the metal and then with the plastic pipe as shown in the figure. After you switch on the current, you will observe that bulb glows in the former case, that is metal case. In the later case, the bulb does not glow, thermoplastic. Hence, a plastic pipe, which is a thermoplastic, is shown to be a poor conductor of electricity. Metal is a good conductor, and thermoplastic is a bad conductor of electricity and heat.